Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the diverter disc on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new diverter disc for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's diverter disc works with the diverter motor to alternate the water from the lower spray arms to the upper spray arm. If either of those parts fails, the dishwasher may not clean properly. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Then, pull the bottom dish rack forward and lift it up and out. The lower wash arm is held in place by a rotating coupler. Gently twist the coupler to the left to disconnect, then lift the wash arm up and out. Then, gently pull up on the manifold's water tube to disconnect it from the pump cover. Then, lift the manifold to remove it from the dishwasher. Next, remove the pump cover by lifting up on the locking arm and rotating it counterclockwise to get it over this tab. Then, release the two locking tabs on the water feed tube while rotating it counterclockwise and pull to remove it from the cover. Lift the pump cover up and out of the dishwasher. Then, with access to the diverter disc, lift it up and out to remove it. If you need to purchase a new diverter disc, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the tab on the shaft of the diverter motor to the notch on the diverter disc and set it into place. Align the pump cover to the slot on the sump assembly and set it into place. Then, align the water feed tube assembly into the slot on the pump cover and rotate the cover into position. Ensure that both retainers on the water feed tube are secure and that the retaining clip on the pump cover is behind this tab on the sump assembly. Align the manifold with the water supply tube on the back of the dishwasher's housing and press to secure it in place. Then, insert the manifold back into the pump cover. Then, align the prongs on the lower wash arm to the gaps on the pump cover. Connect the wash arm by twisting the coupler to the right until it clicks into place. Align the wheels on the lower rack to the track on the door and set in place. Then, push it back into the dishwasher and close the door. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.